All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my Boss Capital live stream. It's Michael Chu here at 8:47 a.m. Mountain Time, 10:48 a.m. Eastern Time now. September 11th on the Thursday, we have Nasdaq up 5.5%, pretty good. Dow is up 1.1%, very strong, and S&P up 0.5%. Nasdaq volume, NYC volume, it's down, but it has increased since this morning, the volume. So looks pretty good. Let's go to the chart for a second. Let's look at QQQ. So we are continuing to make new highs here. So this is pretty good action here. Again, the market has been pretty strong lately, resilient. You see QQQ has been up, how many days now? This is like 7 session up if today we close positive again. So that looks pretty good. 584. Yeah, so this is definitely a new high. Let's go to 5-minute chart. The market gap up slightly this morning on the QQQ, and then it pulled back slightly, and so far it has continued to pound support and making new highs. So that looks pretty good. Let's go to SPY. This one looks even stronger. Look at it, didn't even give up much, and look at this one right here. It didn't want to go down and keep making new highs. The SPY is probably the strongest index right now, which is kind of unbelievable. Let's keep going. Dow Jones. Dow here. Wow, look at this move. Dow finally break out from this area. Because we have the Fed meeting at whatever. Well, we have the Fed meeting next week, but the Powell last time he spoke was this day right here, and it took a while for the market to really um, kind of digest that news and so forth. And then now today you see the big move today. So this is very, very bullish action here. So let's go to intraday chart. Look at this intraday chart. I mean, it just lit up, right? It never even gave back. So that's the good thing. IWM, look at that, very similar action. Dow and Russell has been kind of running together, and we did have a pullback recently, but again, this one, if I draw the line since the Fed last power speak right there was this big day, 4% day, and it just been digesting, it just really moving up slowly, but today we again making new highs. So this is really good news. Let's go to news here. Um, Trying to see if there's any big news. Blackstone is moving right here. Um, so the financial seems to be moving today. Finally, like I said, it hasn't been moving lately, but today it seems to be moving. Let's take a quick look at KRE, regional banks here. It's bouncing back right here. It's not the strongest index for sure. KBE, same thing. It's bouncing right now. Again, not very strong lately. So that's what's happening there. Um, Again, we have Micron continue to lead the market here. Very strong action. I think they got a raise on their for price target here. Look at this move here, 8%. It's come down from the top already, so it could be I don't want to say it could be the top, but we'll see, right? It's too early to tell. It's already finding support right here. You see that zone here? So that looks really good actually. So that's good here. And some of the um oil and gas stuff got hit hard today. Okay, let me keep going here. So inflation data came out, CPI 0.4%. It is above the 0.3% increase slightly, but the year-over-year is the same, 2.9%. Core CPI also in line, 0.3%, and yearly is 3.1%. The big number that was kind of surprising, initial jobs came 263,000 now versus 237,000. So this is a very high number. So that is, Fed would be looking at that number for sure, and thinking about more rate cuts probably in the future. So, yeah. Now we do have Palantir and Tesla moving slightly. Let's see, but probably okay. So I think that's the news here. So let's jump to Tesla for a second. But Tesla is trying to move out right now. Let me take off my markups here, just 'cause. So right here, now you can see the It has been making higher lows, so that's the good news here. And then on the high side, it's also making higher highs. Today, you can see we're coming out again. So slowly, we are coming back to the previous buy zone, previous high right here. So this is looking somewhat healthy. It's just very slow, right? That's the only thing. But if it does break out here, it could be a big move, because lots of people are watching this stuff. So that's one thing. Now let's look at Palantir. Now, Palantir came out yesterday, Thursday, well, even the day before, sorry, not Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday here. Tuesday was the original day, but today it gave up. Like, so I don't know what's happening here. Like, relative strength is definitely coming down. The market is up, but this stock is going down. So that's the kind of thing you want to watch for. It's not the best thing. Let's jump to Nvidia as well. So this one also reversed a little bit. So again, not sure, like relatively that's not good, right? Like you can see the RS rating coming down as well. These two stocks are just not performing as they used to. So just to bring that up for a sec. Yeah. So let's look at stocks in the move here. We already talked about Micron. Rambus moving up big today. Um, Not sure why, but it was kind of stuck here this zone for a while. Yesterday it moved a little bit, but today it moved a lot more, making new high. This stock is very choppy. You can see it is very hard to trade. So very hard to trade. So there you go. Let me go glow GLW. Corning continue to go. This is very strong. Look at this chart. It's parabolic now. So many charts are starting to look like this, where it gets super extended from 200-day, 50-day, even 21 and 10-day. You can see it's super extended now. It's doing the parabolic move. That's the only cautions I have right now for the some of the stocks in the market is uh, some of these stocks are really extended. Okay, let's keep going here. We have ANET here. ANET is also moving to new highs. Very, very big bounce from yesterday. High volume. Again, yesterday all the AI stocks moved, which create this momentum now, right? So they're taking off. Now, how far they will go, we'll see. But definitely like stocks right now are extended. I wouldn't be trying to catch them now because it's just too extended now. So if you have it, great. Ride it until it ends. But yeah, uh, let's see what else we have. HSI here. This is China-based like lidar solu- manufacturer. So this one is trying to bounce back a little bit today. It was pulling back the last few days. So that's what that one is. BAE is still going. It's not on my list, but it is still going. ONC, AMX. Most of these are not on my list here. Sienna. Let's go to Sienna. It's very strong. This one just took taken off. Look at that. Just one day down, not even down much. It just keep riding. So the lot of stocks are very extended right now. They're just flying. So to me, this might be the last leg. Usually, the last leg of a rally is when stocks just fly off, like to no man's land, and all the shorts will be squeezed. And once the shorts are all squeezed, then I think that might be the top. And also FOMO right now. There's lots of FOMO happening. So everyone's trying to get in the last minute, trying to catch the stocks that are running. So these are always signs of a top. So watch out for those. Yeah. Let me look at Futu. Futu is yeah, not doing too well right now. It's just not moving much. Okay, let's jump to my list here. This morning we'll see what else we can look into here. Look at LVGO. Broadcom. Okay, so this is pulling back as well. So yeah, I don't know. The chips today are not as strong. I mean, they have a strong day yesterday, so it's normal for them to kind of sit tight today and just hold. That'll be the key, is just to hold the yesterday's game. So this TSM. Let's see what else we haven't got. Let's look at Cradle here. So this one's pulling back as well. So again, many stocks are pulling back from yesterday's gain. So that's interesting. Again, it's normal action because they're all extended, right? You can't just keep running up without some sort of digestion. So this is another one light here, holding up near high. The key is to hold the high, so they could have more room to run here. Let me see. We have net here. The net is starting to run as well. Cloudflare, Reddit. Reddit is broken out now. It looks like it cleared this zone. It's now starting to fly. So it looks pretty good. Let's see what else did I miss here. STX. This one just continue. All the data storage firms are just going nuts, including WDC. Okay, let's go to some retail here. Let me see. We already talked about Glow and SI. We have Dash, SE. We also talked about Tesla. We're here Dash. It's starting to move. SE. This is making new high right now. It looks good. Um, we have TKO. So yeah, today it looks like a good day for a lot of stocks. Some of these stocks are bouncing today, so that's a good potential to get in or to add some some positions here. Let me see on the we have Resi here on the industrial making new high. Look at that chart. RevG also making new high. Both are performing today. Um, we have TEM and Health and ESPR making new high. TEM make a big move today on the bounce, just like right here. So this is finally a bounce out. Took a while. Gold, we still have gold. Let me see on the gold bullion for a second. It's not moving today. Um, but FNV still making new high. The stocks are just really strong. GFI trying to hold a high there. On the financial side, like I said, some financials are moving today. A lot of pop green. So finally, again, partly due to Russell, right? So here's Co-op trying to come back to the high here. Stone also trying to. So let's take a final look at IWM here on the index. This is making new high. Very interesting, right? After several days of pullback. Dow also making new high. So this is all positive. Again, SPY is the strongest index right now just because they keep leading the charge here. And QQQ is not far behind. It's just slightly make a new high here. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day.